Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today is the day we are going to unbox our supersized Whiff box. So, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to open up our Scentsy Whiff box. Now, if you've never purchased one, it's basically like a subscription box, kind of like for makeup or whatever that, you know, I used to get like a Cat Lady box. I've had the Faith box. I've had the Girl Boss box. I love surprise product, and that's what this is. So it's 35 bucks, but you get so much stuff. It is a fantastic deal. You can gift one. You can order it every month, or you can just get it for one time. So that's what's great about these. So let's go ahead and open it up. This one is supposedly a supersize one. So let's get to opening. This is the one you're gonna want too. This is the one. All right, so first things first, I'm going to open this because I have been super duper excited. So this is all the stuff you get. Anything that's wax that can melt goes in these Mylar bags so that they don't melt. So this right here is a brand new warmer that just came out, and it is fantastic. It's really small, but the dish size is the same exact size as the regular size warmers. Therefore, you get the same scent throw from a smaller warmer. So the price point is smaller. And let's see. Oh, this one has a different cord too. I'm excited. Okay. I already purchased another one just like it. So this is called the Mod Taupe. And so that's the dish right there, right? We also have a Mod Black, which I purchased, but I knew this one was coming in the Whiff box, so I held off. But you see, it's a smaller warmer, but the dish is exactly the same size. So these are fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and check out all the stuff that we get. All right, so we'll open the bars first. Okay. So we got, oh, I love this scent. Oh, I love this scent. Okay, so, and then you get an ice pack inside. Let's get rid of that. It's big and bulky. Okay, so I got a sample of next month's scent of the month. And it's what, pumpkin cashmere? Yeah, pumpkin cashmere. I'm going to do a review on this when I get my scent warmer of the month kit. So I'm not going to cheat and smell it yet. So stay tuned for that. I think it comes tomorrow. I'll make a video. The next one I got was one of our new scents from our, is this in our 5-pack? I think this might be in our 5-pack. White Pumpkin and Driftwood. I'm obsessed. I have this going in my kitchen right now. It is so good. It is so good. It's like a woodsy pumpkin scent. And the next one is Forever Fall, which is new as well. So this is like a perfect gift. For 35 bucks, the person gets a warmer. I believe how much is the warmer normally? Let me look so I can tell you what the cost is. Okay, so the warmer itself, if you were to purchase it from the website, is $25. This whole box is $35. So that gives you an idea. So you get these two bars. Like I said, White Pumpkin and Driftwood, and this one's Forever Fall. I believe this one smells like apples and pumpkin. Definitely pumpkin. Ooh. Ooh, I love that. Pumpkin and spices. You also get a huge sample of next month's scent of the month, which is pumpkin cashmere. This tells you just what's in there. Gosh, you get a lot of stuff. Ooh, this is the box you guys want. You also get the fall filling, it's like a freshie. We call them scent circles. Oh my gosh, these are so much better than the trees. Oh, that is going to smell amazing in my car. You also get a scent pack, which is like a scent sachet. You can put it between your linen. You can put it in at the bottom of your trash can, the bottom of your laundry. They're supposed to last 3 months, but for me, they just smell great for so long that even when I take them out of wherever I had them, I always keep them and throw them in a drawer. Like, you know, my chonies drawer, my sock drawer, whatever. But you know what? Another thing that I love these for, I keep one in my purse. I also keep one in my work bag. I also love these for gym bags. I love these for luggage. You know how like when you put your luggage in the garage and then you open it up, it smells musty and you're like, oh, I gotta put my clothes in there. Leave one of these in there so every time you open that luggage, smells amazing. So you get one of these, okay? You also get a harvest brochure with all of our harvest products, and you get the brand new fall winter catalog. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. So this was a great box. I heard it was going to be big and amazing, and I love when they give us warmers in these boxes. So again, it's the Scentsy Whiff box. You can go to the link in my bio and grab one for yourself or for a friend. These are great gifts. Anyways, I hope you like my video. Let me know and have a great day. Bye.